Happy birthday, Jason. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, ang mabuti na nakaparoon sa amin at masunurin. Dito lang kami para sa'yo.
Digging deeper in my mind.
Jason, alam mo naman, lagi ka naming nakasuporta sa'yo. Sobrang mahal na mahal ka namin. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Sana pagtanda namin, alagaan mo kami ni Papa. Huwag ka muna magbo-boyfriend hanggat di ka pa nakakatapos ng pag-aaral. Love na love ka namin sobra.
Memories from so
We will meet a lot of people, a lot of friends will come and go. Merong iiwan ka, merong mag-i-stay. Pero lagi mo tatandaan yung hindi ka iiwan hanggang kahit kailan. Yung pamilya mo. So treasure mo yun. Believe in yourself, believe you can anyway. Lagi yun.
sacrifice, but I carry on. Reaching up to find the surface with eyes open. I can start again. And when the night is finally done, I know the best is yet to come. I lift my head up to the rising sun. I run towards you in the horizon. I run towards you in the horizon.
Happy birthday, Jason. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Mag-aaral ka mabuti. Tapos, pwede naman burger ka. Thank you sa friendship natin.
Can start again. I can start again.
And kahit 18 ka na, bawal pa rin daw mag-boyfriend. Mag-aaral mabuti and mas maging matured ka na mag-isip. Okay? Love you.
Can start. And when the night is finally done, I know the best is yet to come. I lift my head up to the rising sun. I run towards you in the horizon. I run towards you in the horizon.
I know na you're pressured sometimes, but always remember that me, Tito, Sebi, Kim, and every one of us appreciated you. I love you so much, and please enjoy it. Happy 18th birthday, Ate, and it's kind of hard to believe that you're already 18 and the three of us, including Ate Janine, are growing up now and slowly transitioning into being an adult. On this special day, we celebrate not just your age, but the wonderful journey that brought you here. Your 18th birthday marks a significant milestone in your life because it's a transition from adolescence to adulthood. That's why as your cousin, I am very happy that you get to celebrate your 18th birthday or debut here with us and with your loved ones. That you get to experience celebrating this once in a lifetime milestone. Kaya thank you, Tita and Tito. I remember being
And when the
sad.
night is finally done, I know the
There's always being mature na and I'm being left behind. On this 18th birthday, my wish for you is a life filled with happiness, success, and personal fulfillment. Your kindness and beauty both inside and out shine brightly, and I'm proud to call
18th birthday, Jaisel. Mag-inom ka na, mag-boyfriend ka na. Gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Nasa tamang edad ka na. Happy birthday!
birthday. So, we're so grateful to have you as our friend. Thank you for being always silent and for always being there for us. And then, sa pagiging ng best secretary sa room. And I hope na ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams and wishes mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Kasi birthday mo ngayon. I wish you good health and happy life. I love you so much.
Sobrang grateful ako kasi more than 10 years na tayo nasasabi na. And sobrang thank you for natin sa news na
Wish ko sa'yo, matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Gawin ang